Beetroot is a nutritional powerhouse and its health benefits are numerous. There are many benefits to eating beetroot, including lowering blood pressure, improving digestion, and reducing the risk of cancer. Beetroot is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and potassium. Here are 5 amazing health benefits of beetroot that are supported by science. 1. Beetroot may help prevent birth defects. Beetroot is a good source of folate, which is important for pregnant women to consume to help prevent birth defects. It is also a good source of folic acid that can help prevent these birth defects. 2. Beetroot may help support bone health. Beetroots are a source of many nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are important for keeping our bones healthy and strong. Vitamin C is an important nutrient for bone health. It helps the body absorb iron, which is necessary for the production of collagen, a major component of bone tissue. Vitamin C also helps the body produce osteoblasts, cells that are responsible for building new bone tissue. Beetroots are also a good source of magnesium. Magnesium is necessary for the proper absorption of calcium, another important nutrient for bone health. Magnesium also helps to maintain the proper levels of calcium in the blood. 3. Beetroot may help boost energy levels. Beetroot is a good source of iron, which is important for energy production. Beetroot also contains nitrates, which have been shown to improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. 4. Beetroot may help improve skin health. Beetroot is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for skin health. Beetroot juice can improve blood circulation and deliver essential nutrients to the skin cells. This can help to keep the skin cells healthy and promote skin healing. Beetroot can also help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. The antioxidants present in beetroot can help to neutralize free radicals and prevent them from causing damage to the skin cells. 5. Beetroot may help support brain health. Beetroot is a good source of choline, which is important for brain health. Beetroot also contains a nutrient called nitrate. When you eat foods containing nitrate, your body converts it into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a gas that helps to relax and widen blood vessels. This can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Beetroot has also been shown to improve blood flow to the brain and enhance cognitive performance.